Welcome all of you to HMD's YouTube channel. Today I have a good news for you regarding the photo upload issue which you are facing when you are doing your exit exams or when you are giving your e-learning programs. The DG has covered up this issue. Henceforth, you can yourself update the photo and signature if it is not matching in the profile. So let me explain how you can do this. Go to your browser and to this particular page 220.156.188.229 of DG, and you please log in using your credentials. Once you log in, you will come to this page. So first thing what you do before exit exam or before going for your e-learning is check whether your Windows photo is matching with your live image. That is a live capturing of your picture is done. So for that, first you click on the start webcam. Now you can see my image has come over this side. So you have to just capture the image looking at your HD webcam. Once it is captured, just click on the verify button. Here you can see user is verified successfully. For all those who get this can move to the next step. That is uploading three live images, so that when you give your exit exam or when you're appearing for your e-learning program, it would not give you an issue of photo mismatch. So for that you have to go to add photos. This is for those who have verified their picture to add three additional photos. So again, click here on the start webcam, click on the capture image. Now once the image is captured, click on the upload. Photo updated successfully. So in the same manner, you have to take three photos and you have to do your facial recognition. I'm doing it again. Start webcam, upload. Photo updated successfully. So those who are completing these three steps won't be having any issues in giving the exit exam or for appearing for your e-learning programs. It would be a smooth process. Now we'll go to the second step. That is those who are not having this Windows photo which we are seeing over here. There are some cases where candidates do not have an Windows photo. In that case, what you have to do, we'll see. So first you will go to verify profile photo. When you come to this particular page, if you are not having an Windows photo over here, what to do? You can update the photo yourself. But the thing is, you should have a good image of yourself in the desktop which you are using. Also, you should have your front page of your passport. And both these should be in JPG format and of size 50 KB, not more than 50 KB. So if you have these both items, that is your passport copy as well as your own image, it should not be an image taken from a photo. It should be the original image which you can borrow it from your photographer, the soft copy. The 70% of your face should be covering in it. And also ensure that you are not wearing specs, because if you are taking the photo with the specs and you are uploading it, it will be difficult for you to have the facial recognition when you are sitting for the live image. So we recommend that you don't wear your glasses when you are uploading for the photo. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to change your Windows photo in the Windows profile. I've taken a blank photo. It is showing user not verified. To upload Windows photo, please click here. So Now we have to click here. You can see the option for uploading new photo for Windows. Just click on the choose file. You can choose your image. I've reduced the size of the image and kept over here. So I'm choosing my image. Now for this particular image, we'll do a live image capturing. So again, we are going to start the webcam and I'm going to capture my image again. Now this particular photo is going to be verified with the uploaded image. Live photo is not proper. So again, we have to choose that file. Start the webcam. You have to ensure that you have the proper lighting and all things before taking the photo. Now my photo has been verified successfully. Now we have one more step. Then click on the next button. We have to add 3 more live images for the facial recognition purpose, which we have seen in the earlier part. So again, I'm going to start my webcam and capture 3 more images. Photo updated successfully. The second one. The second photo is also updated successfully. Now I go for the third one. Hence, I have updated 3 successful photos using the facial recognition. Now again click on the next button. Your passport upload is pending. So this is the area where we are going to attach our passport image. So I've reduced and kept the passport image. It should be in horizontal position. It is clearly stated in the DGS circular that it has to be in the horizontal position. Okay. Now I click verify passport. Submitted for verification. You will get a message like this. So your application is under verification process. After 48 working hours, you can check your status over here in the check status, whether your photo has been uploaded successfully. So this is the way how you can update your profile photo if the Windows photo is not available within your profile. So it is a great initiative from the DG. So now you don't have to have any hurdle. You yourself can change your photographs as well as for the signature. For signature, you will have to do all the same process again in the change signature column. Similarly, you have to upload your passport copy as well as a signature copy which you have scanned and kept in the system, the same format. It will be kept for verification. After verification, it would be updated in your profile. Thank you.